Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
New camera alert. Oh. What your boy looking like?
Oh, come on now, dog.
Huh? TNT gang, what's poppin'? Hey, it's your boy Tony B, and we back with another lit video. And today, we got a new camera, y'all. I'm trying to make sure I'm looking at the lens because we got the little flip up screen now. Ooh, your boy hey, I done upgraded, y'all. My man. 2020, we ain't playing around here, y'all. But hey, today we're going to continue to work on the dash pad. As y'all can see, dash pad is up here. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna get it down here, get everything set up, mix up the resin, try to get it to cure right, try to put the fiberglass mat on. Hopefully today. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that all today. Nope. But we're gonna try our best. Like I said, 2020, we're trying to come at it Monday through Friday. We're trying to do this thing, y'all. So hey, let's get this thing done. No complaining, nothing but movement. Let's go. All right, gang, we got everything set up over there with the dash. We got all the resin over here. Now, let's get to mixing this resin up. Let's go. Hey, don't laugh at my stirring stick either, man. I gotta do what I gotta do. All right, gang, I got 2 ounces mixed up. I know they said 1 ounce, 10 drops. I did 2 ounces, 20 drops, and spray weight. I'm going by your recipe, man. Just go a small amount. Just do a little amount at a time, because I know I got a big surface right here. But I didn't want to make too much because I didn't know how quick that this stuff was gonna cure. So let's hurry up and get this on here. Yeah. That wasn't enough to do nothing. As y'all can see, all I got was this part. Hey, we're gonna have to mix up a lot more, y'all. We got a long way to go. Long way to go.
Moments later. Stupid.
This wouldn't be TNT Garage if stuff wouldn't have been going 100% the way I wanted to, man. Huh? I don't know what I just said, but yeah, we got our first coat of resin on here. As y'all can see, laid down pretty well. I didn't do it super thick, but I did it enough so it saturated the fiber and the actual fabric. But it's just too cold out here, y'all. Just too cold out here. So I don't know how long this is gonna take to set up. But I was planning on going ahead and putting the mat down. Even though I know I'm gonna probably have to get more mat for this big old thing here. But yeah, shoot. You know, I can't just put out a video this small, y'all. Can't do y'all like that. But what I might do, I might go ahead and you know, do another video that I was gonna do another day. Let me see. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Have faith in your boy. Nope. Have faith in your boy. I got y'all.
3 days later.
Nope. Don't have faith in your boy, because I still didn't get it done, y'all. Hey, this is 2 days later. I still ain't got it done. But what I end up doing, I put some more coats on here. As y'all can see, it's hard as a rock. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's hard as a rock. But I do have a dilemma. As always, we got a spot right here, right there, that's kind of coming up. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might have to put a little bit more fabric there. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do, but hey, y'all know how it is here, man. Oh my goodness. Hey, but it's all good, man. We do what we do, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I know I didn't get too much done, but just with the time crunch that I got and the weather, I think this is the farthest I can go without having to drag this on for too long. So hey, I'm sorry guys, but if you still like the video, make sure you hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell and hit all so you can get all your notifications, because you know we dropping bangers Monday through Friday, y'all. All right, guys, I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. All right, see y'all Saturday. Peace. Well, not Saturday, but Friday.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.
Psych is Uga Duplo. Come on, man.